Everyone thinks the best-selling vacuum for wool carpets is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Shark Navigator Lift-Away. The Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner, specifically the Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe, really caught my eye at a price of $189.95. If you're looking for powerful cleaning that tackles both carpets and hard floors, this is worth a serious look. This vacuum shines with its strong multi-surface suction, making it perfect for your wool carpets. The lift-away feature lets you detach the pod for above-floor cleaning, which is a game-changer for stairs or furniture. And let's not forget about the HEPA filter that traps allergens, providing a cleaner environment, ideal if you have allergy concerns. With over 53,900 reviews and a solid rating of 4.4 stars, it's one of the best sellers for a reason. Now, some people complained about it being a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, most vacuums can be loud, and if you want one that tackles wool carpets effectively, the noise might be a small trade-off. This is perfect for you if you have pets or a large area to clean. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-quiet or very compact. For the price, you get excellent value and performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you want something lighter and more budget-friendly, the next one might be even better for your needs. Product number 2, Eureka PowerSpeed. Next up is the Eureka PowerSpeed Lightweight Upright Vacuum, priced at just $99.99. If you're searching for a powerful yet budget-friendly vacuum, this one is definitely worth considering. Weighing in at just 10 pounds, this vacuum is surprisingly powerful thanks to its 960-watt motor. The 2.6-liter dust cup means fewer interruptions during cleaning sessions, and the onboard pet attachments like the turbo brush help tackle stubborn hair effortlessly. With over 8,300 reviews and a decent rating of 4.2 stars, it's no wonder this vacuum is a favorite. Now, some users mention that the cord could be a bit short for larger spaces. But honestly, with its lightweight design, moving it around shouldn't be too much of a hassle, and it's easy to find an outlet. This is perfect for you if you're looking for powerful cleaning on a budget, especially if you have pets. Skip this one if you have a very large home and need an extra long cord. For its price, you get impressive performance and convenience. Now, if the cord length of the Eureka PowerSpeed bothers you, this next vacuum offers a bagless design that changes the game. Product number 3, Eureka Whirlwind Canister. The Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister is up next, available for $79.99. If you want something lightweight and easy to maneuver around your wool carpets, you should take a closer look at this one. This canister vacuum weighs just a bit over 8 pounds and features an integrated airflow control that lets you switch between carpet and hard floor cleaning right from the handle. With a 2.5-liter dust container, you won't have to worry about frequent emptying, and its bagless design means lower maintenance costs. The included crevice tool is a nice touch for those tight spots where dirt loves to hide. It boasts a solid 4.3-star rating from over 30,200 reviews, making it a reliable choice. Now, some folks found that it doesn't have quite the same suction power as heavier models. Here's the thing though, lightweight vacuums do sacrifice some power, but for everyday cleaning tasks, it's more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you want effortless cleaning without the bulk. Skip this if you need something with heavy-duty suction for deep cleaning. At this price, it's a smart buy for casual cleaning. Alright, that was a great lightweight option. But if you prefer something a bit more powerful, the next vacuum on our list takes a different approach. Product number 4, Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner. Next is the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner, also priced at $79.99. If you want a vacuum that's lightweight but doesn't compromise on power, this one might be right up your alley. This little powerhouse packs a 12-amp motor, providing continuous suction that makes cleaning wool carpets a breeze. Weighing only 8.6 pounds, it's easy to carry from room to room, and the included extension wands allow you to reach those high corners or under furniture with ease. It also has a dust bag capacity of 2.5 liters, meaning you can collect a good amount of dust and hair before needing to change it. With over 14,200 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's clearly a trusted option. Now, some users did mention that the bags can be tricky to find. But honestly, once you get a few extras, it's not a big deal and the cleaning power makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile vacuum that can handle various surfaces. Skip it if you prefer a bagless model or don't want to deal with changing bags. For the price, the performance is impressive. Now, if you want something even more convenient for quick cleanups, the last vacuum on our list is cordless and might just be what you need. Product number 5, Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Finally, we have the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, which goes for $139.97. If you're looking for convenience without sacrificing cleaning power, this could be a great fit. This stick vacuum features a tangle-resistant design and offers up to 50 minutes of runtime, which is fantastic for those quick cleanups. Weighing in as one of the lighter options, it's easy to handle, and the easy empty dust bin makes disposal a breeze. With a rating of 4.2 stars from over 13,500 reviews, it's a strong contender. Now, a few users mentioned that it might not have the same powerful suction as some corded models. Honestly, though, for a cordless vacuum, it performs quite well and is perfect for light to moderate cleaning tasks. This is perfect for you if you want a vacuum that you can grab quickly for everyday messes. Skip this one if you have very heavy-duty cleaning needs. For the price, it offers good convenience without sacrificing too much on performance. So to wrap it all up, if you're looking for the Shark Navigator for powerful cleaning, the Eureka PowerSpeed for a budget option, the Eureka Whirlwind for a lightweight choice, the Eureka 3670M for serious suction, or the Levoit for cordless convenience, there's something for everyone. Choose based on your specific needs and preferences and enjoy cleaner wool carpets.